Hey y'all, it's your girl Keish. Welcome. I'm sorry. It's Keish and
Mel.
and this is a walk in the fat woman's shoes. Today I am doing another salad, but this is a steak salad. I was gonna have steak and eggs, but I still had some of my broccoli and tomatoes and stuff like that. So I just cooked some of my thin shaved steak that I had got from Aldi's, and I just cooked it up, put it on the salad. So I'm having steak salad. I'm drinking on that good old H2O. Even though Big Gurt is not here, she will do what? She will save you in a crisis. Yes, she will. Yes, she will. And Big Gurt comes from the coldest water. And y'all go ahead and pick y'all up one. How to get a big Gurt, a big swole, a big baby, or even a male baby will be in the description box below. So you go and get you one. Snatch your one up. Go and hit that link in that description. Go and get you one. Go and do it. Go and do it. Anyway, let me say my grace. God is good. God is great. Thank you for the meal we're about to receive. Bless your holy name. Bless your prayers in the meal. Amen. Amen. So what's going on with you guys today? Let me know what you're eating and if you're eating with me. Also, let me know what's going on in y'all neck of the woods. How's your weather treating you? And what y'all did today. Y'all know I want to know I'm nosy. Hand me my crisp onions, please, baby. Thanks so much. Got them crisp onions. You know, come on out. You can't leave out the crispus. Yeah, I know I said crispus. Oh, God. Get that. I'm sorry, y'all. That be, I don't know why he's doing it. Well, I mean, I know why he's doing it. Somebody calling me, but he was so still. I need to be putting this on airplane when I'm doing the videos and stuff. I love my crispus onions. I know they're crispy onions. They're crispy onions, but I call it crispus. Scam likely, right?
Trying to talk on the
Scam
phone.
likely, right? They always, how do these solicitors solicit your cell phone? It's one thing to solicit your house phone, but come on now, your cell phone. But then again, a lot of people may not have home phones, so hey, let's go ahead on and hit up their cell phone. You know. You know what? I'm just gonna do it like this.
I know.
I know that might look like too much dressing, but it is what it is.
Oh, okay.
Anyway,
That's because you heard me say I was going to
let me go ahead on and
But I can't necessarily eat that
eat
now.
my salad. This look good. This looks so good, y'all. So good. So yummy.
You know, one day you're going to sit there and be trying to tease me and I'm going to knock your plate
How am I teasing you? Yo, I was doing this video by myself. By myself. Somebody come walking their little short stubby ass in here. Like, should I let her make it? Should I let her make it, or should I just bug the hell out of her? No,
Kelly,
I'm gonna go ahead on
if
and
you
I'm gonna
don't
bug the
stop-
hell out of her. She ain't gonna let nobody make it. She ain't gonna let a bitch make it. You hear me?
Because you don't never let this motherfucker make it. If I go in
Look.
there and mind my business, you going to come up in there and
Yo.
act like they got a party going on in there. Disrupt whatever I got going on. So I got to do it to you. What you rocking for? Do you got pants on?
Nope.
Is that the booty I see?
Girl, that's my underwear. Girl.
Oh, so
I don't know why you see. Just out in the bitch like that.
I didn't out you. I asked you a question. You could have lied.
And then I see thigh meat. I don't see no pants and all that.
You are so dramatic.
So anyway,
Like I say, one
in
good
this
day.
Saturday,
You didn't even fix me nothing to eat. You didn't even ask me did I want to eat. That's fucked up. But it's all right. It's not like I ain't sitting here looking like Eric. But it's okay. I'm gonna just go to my room.
thank you. And she about to go, y'all. I be wanting her company, but she be doing the most.
Like you doing.
She be doing the most. Mm. Come on, tomato, don't do it.
See, the most.
I'm talking to the tomato.
You don't do tomatoes.
Mm.
Didn't I tell you leave
Let
me
me do
alone?
what I'm doing.
Screw you. And whatever you're doing.
Hey, babe.
Nope.
One of these fingers is doing its own thing. One of these fingers is doing something different.
What the hell that mean?
You know what I mean. You ain't gonna look at me.
Because you're a dick. And all you're doing is giving me the finger.
Would I
And
do
not
that?
in a good way.
Would I do that?
Yes.
What?
Don't come in here with that bullshit either.
Right up top and anyway, y'all. They have been they've been messing with me all day. Mal and Curtis. Because I decided to do my self-care night routine with y'all, which I think y'all are going to see that. I don't know if it's going to be today because I got another video coming up here. Oh, Lord. I ain't even take no video of my family, y'all. I'm so sorry. Oh, I'm sorry. Everything is just all over there by her. Excuse me, y'all. I'll be right back. All right, y'all. Sorry about that. I had to take a video of this, but if y'all follow me on Instagram, I'm Mel's Lady on Instagram, and I'm Makeish on TikTok. I'm Mel's Lady on Twitter. So anyway, if y'all follow me on there, I'm generally gonna put this up on my Instagram. This is like 3 salads and stuff that I did, and I'm putting this video up today, which is Thursday, because we didn't give y'all the video Tuesday because my head was on fire. I just got over that headache this morning. This morning, I just got over that headache. Oh, shoot. So, she really think I'm not going to mess with her. She got a whole nother thing coming. Because that girl got to make it her business. Her business, you heard me? To come mess with me. And to make her way in my video. I'm still trying to think of a prank to pull on her. I've been watching a lot of y'all do pranks and stuff. I just watched Get Living More and Vine and Ray Love. I just watched their prank, and it's funny. But I can't do that because somebody was watching with me. So somebody was watching with me. I had to watch Ray Love um, prank in secret. And the only way I was able to watch that because she had to go to the bathroom. That's the only reason I was able to watch that one. This is so good. I had to get it in on my family job because Monday, Monday through Wednesday afternoon, I have to be on liquids because I'm having a colonoscopy. And when I had a colonoscopy before, I just had to be on liquids the day before and the morning of. But now, these pills that they have me about to take, they want me to start Monday. So it's 12 pills every 2 to 3 minutes. They want me to, I can have liquid juice, no coffee, no tea. I don't have Jello, but it can't be red or purple. I can have popsicles, but it can't be red or purple. I don't really eat popsicles or those little icy things. I don't. I probably start eating that when I go have my procedure. I'm getting my teeth taken out. So I probably do it then, but I'm gonna try to give y'all Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday video. Now I'm gonna have to tackle them between tomorrow, Friday, Saturday, Friday and Saturday. So that that means I may have to eat 2 meals. I'm not really looking forward to that because this juicing, I mean, you never really get used to it, but it's kind of growing on me, you hear me? And I don't want to mess up like that, but I don't know if my baby mom's gonna be okay to take one of those videos off me, but I'm gonna figure it out. I'm gonna figure it out though. Just do Friday and Saturday. Tomorrow, tomorrow will be Sunday. Saturday will be Monday, and Sunday will be Tuesday and Wednesday, I guess. So I don't know if any of y'all want to see my see me do a my juicing mukbang. You know, instead of me eating, you know, I just come on here and talk with y'all and drink my juice. Let me know in the comments below. And if I get enough of y'all wanting to see that, then I'll do it. Anyway, y'all, back to what I was saying about them clowning me about my self-care thing. They already know I do it, but yesterday they want to have these jokes. A while ago, I made a drastic change, you know, in my life. And everything, it was about, you know, it was about starting over, you know. And since I've been on this O.B.F.F journey, I'm not lying, it's hard as hell. But some days are easier than others, some days are harder than others. But I made a drastic change, right? And I just said, you know what? I'm starting over. And with that being said, I did you know, I did a video of me doing my hair, and they were telling me don't don't do it, you know. Let it go ahead, let it go out, let it do this. Mm-hmm. I just felt I just felt like sharing that with y'all. Must share with y'all on here. Y'all know I wear wigs. Y'all know my hair sucks. You know? Y'all know I don't really give a damn what people think. You can judge me all you want. But when you, like my mama used to say, when you dig in that grave for me, dig one for yourself too. That simple. So I'm gonna eat a little bit more of this. I'm gonna show y'all what I'm talking about. I love this. This sad is good, y'all. I don't know what my salad gonna be tomorrow, but I know I may do a salad like I may just do chicken wings. Or I may just do steak and eggs. All right. Anyway, yeah. Anyway, let me show y'all what I did that was drastic. Talking about a new beginning, a new me. I don't give a me. You hear me? Because I'm over being freaking fat. I never really cared what people thought of me. So, anyway, let me just show y'all. See, I shaved my hair, shaved my head. Well, I had Curtis to do it for me because, you know, I wanted it to be smooth and him to get it all off. That boy cut off some eyebrow here. But anyway, I still feel I'm still cute. You hear me? I'm still cute. I don't care about this. I'm not my hair. You know, I like wigs. I wear them. But guess what? It's about to start getting hot. The girl wants to be able to exercise comfortably, you know, and it is what it is. But not only that, I shaved my head when I started doing O.B.F.F because I was uh, over it. I was over everything. You know what I'm saying? And like I said, this is a new beginning for me, a new journey, a new chapter in my life. This is not a diet. This is a lifestyle. And I know like I've said it before, I know my family tell me that I can do it, this is that and the other, but I know they don't believe it because how I've messed up so many times. So many. Y'all, I've messed up so many times it's not even funny, you heard me? And you know, I can't even count how many times I messed up. But this time I I almost I'm sorry, I had to, you know, I almost messed up. I almost messed up. I was about to fry my chicken wings. I was about to fry my chicken wings today. Even though I know I had meal prep for today, which was my salad, right? And I said, okay, got my juices. I'm about to go ahead on lay up there and fry my chicken wings. And for some reason, something in my head, a voice in my head was like 12.8, 12.8. Remember that, 12.8. And for those of y'all that don't know 12.8, that is my uh, hemoglobin A1C. And like I said, knowing that my A1C is that high, I have to do something immediately. I have a Planet Fitness membership that I have been paying on, honestly, right hand of God. I've been paying on it since November and I have never been. You know, this is me just coming to y'all, coming clean, letting y'all know. I haven't been to Planet Fitness. And I was supposed to go the day I was supposed to go in November. I don't know why I didn't go. I don't know. I was supposed to go after Christmas. Then I was supposed to go after New Year. Then I was supposed to do this. I was supposed to do that. It was always something. You know what I'm saying? Always something that stopped me. It was always something that I myself put on myself. The reason I couldn't go. The reason I have to stop. The reason I can't do this. The reason I can't do that. You know, that's another reason I say the super fans can't hurt me, because they can't hurt me more than I hurt my damn self. You heard me? Because I know I have to change. I know these things about myself, but when it comes time for me to do it, I procrastinate. I'm constantly putting shit off. You know what I'm saying? But I have this doctor's appointment. I got that doctor's appointment. I can't go. I gotta go here. I gotta go there. I can't go. I won't go to the store and get this. I won't go to the store and get that. I can't go. Oh, my legs hurt today. I can't go. It's always something. Always something. There's always a reason why I can't go to the gym. Don't get me wrong. I still haven't went. I'm going to do a vlog when I do go, and I'm supposedly going Sunday. And y'all heard me. Supposedly, I'm going. I'm going. Because I have to. I mean, I've been paying on this shit since November of last year. And in a minute, it's about to be November again. I have to get up off my ass and do what I have to. I can encourage anybody, but myself. But myself. But when I woke up this morning, I said to myself, you got this, Black. You got this all day. And still was about to fry chicken. Still was about to fry chicken. Not air fried, fried. Fried chicken. But guess what? My chicken wings that y'all see me eat is going to be air fried, not deep fried. I don't need no batter, but I might do, what is that, garlic parmesan wings. I don't need a batter, nothing like that. I'm just trying to be as transparent with you guys as I can. You know what I'm saying? Because it's always something with me that I can't do what I need to do to get this weight off. Don't get me wrong. I'm loving this. I'm loving this. And I want more of it. Y'all see, this used to be bam. Like, it used to sit. It used to sit on the arm of my chair. But it's not. You see that? Well, you can't see it because once I raise that up. But the only problem with that is when I see some days I feel like I can see it hanging over again, but it doesn't be like that. It's Shark Week, so I am kind of bloated, so maybe that's probably why I feel like that, because I'm, bloated. But even so, still, it's not like it was. So, I take that into consideration. I see friends talking about how they want to lose weight and how they doing this, and I've seen a couple of my friends that I personally know, personal friends, actually lose the weight. What you did? I got my ass out there and I started walking. I got my ass out there, I started running. I got my ass out there, I started eating right. I started doing what I needed to do. I feel like I'm eating right. I'm juicing meal. Although my doctor don't want me to juice meal, he wants me to. He said I can juice meal, but I don't. Come on. I have extreme weight to lose. And I just think juice meal is not gonna kick it. And I kind of think my juice, I don't know. I think it's working because it makes me full. It makes me full when I drink it. So, you know, because I don't mind a pulp or whatever. But even so, y'all, I just wanted to let y'all know that I didn't want this video to be that damn long or anything like this. I just want to come to y'all and let y'all, give y'all a little inside scoop of a morbidly obese YouTuber named Keish. That's me. I can't get around it. I can't sugarcoat it. I can't say I'm not morbidly obese. I'm fat, but I ain't morbidly obese. But guess what? Yeah, I'm morbidly obese, but I'm cute. But that's a whole nother story about, yeah, you big, but you cute. Be, wait, you cute, but you big. That's a whole nother story I'll share on the Keish TV. But even so, y'all, I just want to come to y'all, eat my salad, and get y'all this video out because we didn't give y'all one on Tuesday. I wanted to open up to y'all. Some of y'all may receive it. Some of y'all may have hate about it, or some of y'all may say you ain't doing nothing. This is that and the other. It really doesn't matter because guess what? I love you anyway. Ain't nothing you can do about it. So, I'm gonna go ahead and get up out here. I love y'all. Y'all take care. Be blessed. Have a wonderful, wonderful week. Thank you for coming and watching and rocking with the girl. And until next time, always remember to smile, smile, smile. With that being said, we're gonna plant you down and dig you later. Cause I know y'all can pick up what I just put down. You heard me? I said the whole thing wrong. We love y'all. Y'all take care. Be blessed. Have a wonderful, wonderful week. Thank you for coming and watching and rocking with us. And until next time, we're gonna plant you down and dig you later. Cause I know y'all can pick up what I just put down. You heard me? Peace, y'all.